What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're getting over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.02268. We're up 3.6 on the day. See market cap of 632 million. 24-hour volume 42 million. So if we hop into the charts, we're starting to see a little bit of a move here. I just have to quickly plug in my laptop. All right. So as I was saying here, we're starting to see a little bit of a push up with BTC. So the bullish level is to break above the wave 4 high, give confirmation, which is sitting at 0.0247. So if we can break that level, then we can start to push up in that massive wave 2, and the target for that, or massive wave 3, the target for that is 0.06139. Looking at our next chart here, this is one of our trades. We're currently in 3 Gala trades right now, as well as a trade for VeChain and XRP. You can gain free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So you can see here, if I pull this out, we're beautifully holding the golden ratio, and you can see a little bit of a bottoming tail. It's not a very big one on the daily time frame, where the bulls push the price back up. That's why you see this long wick here, and we are trending towards oversold on the RSI, bullish divergence on the money flow. So we need to get back above those daily EMAs to give more confirmation. We already closed 80% of this trade. We'll continue to let it run. And yeah, if we get back above those EMAs, you can see continuation back to the upside. So what you want to look for, bullish confirmation of a break of 0.02471. To give your confirmation, you're going to start to push up in the wave 3, and of course look for that first 5-wave move off the low. If we fail to break that level, we roll over. It is what it is. We create one more low before the bounce. Anything can happen, so just watch for that bullish confirmation. All right, gang, so if you want signals, if you want access to my trade signals completely for free, sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Make your first deposit, grab those bonuses, and then just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. We have over 2,600 members. In the Discord, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in multiple trades, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in multiple Forex trades, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. Mahado all place. With the sign up and deposit to BTCC, I'll give you free access. Just send me email. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.